I stopped the countdown because I can't wait to introduce you Marina Abramović again in Italy for an exclusive exhibit at Gres Art 671 in Bergamo. First of all, I want to introduce the main web project about Marina Abramović Institute and activities, and you know she's absolutely into different fields, not only in arts but also in philanthropy, and we support this kind of polyedric vision of art, because through arts you can make any kind of messages more trustworthy and viral. Well, I'm absolutely delighted also because it's my first time to introduce Marina Abramović, and the title of this shows exhibit that you will be able to visit until the 16th of February 2025 in Bergamo is Between Breath and Fire, curated by Karol Winiarczyk. Sorry for my pronunciation. I know it's really crocefissione. Okay, you got it. Okay, let's delve into. This is a screencast of different perspective, thanks to the digital pics they send me over with the press package. They are mixed. Some are from the works, and some is kind of landscape of the place that is absolutely stylistically speaking really iconic. It's a pure design, it's a kind of industrial facilities, but that it has turned into an art venue. Okay, what I have to say is to the importance of the collaboration, and so Gres Art 671 in Bergamo wanted to start up this winter season with this powerful exhibition, and so that they contribute to this project along with Lisson Gallery, Galleria Lia Rum, Fondazione Pesenti, and Ital Mobiliare. As I said, it's open from September. It has been inaugurated in September 14, 2024 to February 2025, the 16th. This is a journey into Abramović's 50-year career, exploring life, death, and human resilience. The thematic overview, the exhibition explores key themes like the breath, the body, human mortality, and the boundaries between natural and artificial. These are recurring motifs throughout Abramović's career, and highlighted works. Some of them maybe you can recognize because they are very, in a way, famous. Her face is absolutely one of the most renewed artists nowadays. So the highlighted works in this exhibit are Seven Deaths, that was produced and created in 2021. The central piece is, of course, this piece, and is a cinematic installation dedicated to opera icon Maria Callas, where Abramović reenacts 7 tragic deaths from Callas' most famous roles. And then we have Lips of Thomas, a seminal piece in Abramović's early career. Lips of Thomas pushes the boundaries of physical endurance, featuring the artist's provocative actions. And then we have Dozing Consciousness and the tree installed in the garden. The tree offers a soundscape of birth song, blending nature and the human experience of mortality. And then we have interactive installation. The public is invited to engage directly with the works, such as in Mambo and Marienbad, Marienbad, where participants can dance in front of a video projection, blurring the line between performer and observer. And then there is the 4 points that is important as well, the artist's legacy and vision. And I'm gonna get back to my face. This exhibit is not just a showcase of past works, but also a reflection of Abramović's ongoing exploration of new materials and formats, including video installations and public interaction. So, to visit this exclusive exhibit, you can navigate at gresart671.org or check the press release in the related link. Of course, you have to bear in mind that stepping into this kind of contemporary art landscape is absolutely a unique experience because you can also understand how many possibilities nowadays with the digital tools to spread and to decline the different perspective in art. So that's why my project related to the digital art storytelling is delving in this kind of contemporary arts, because I can have infinite possibilities of blending and working different artworks that can be turned into digital masterpieces. Keep on staying tuned. Simona Cochi, The Italian Way. Ciao.